Record-07. Today we are going to learn about font color, font shading and font highlight. First topic, font color. Whatever we type text in MS Word, the default color is black. We can change the color with the help of font color command in font group of Home tab. Select the text which I have already typed. This is a simple text. Select the font color dropped. We can see different colors. We can select any color by clicking on colors like red, yellow, green. Click on green to make it green, click on light yellow to make it light yellow, and again to change click on drop and select red color. Background color or shading. Another topic is shading or to put color in the background. Select the text in the Home tab, go to the paragraph group, click on the drop of shading and choose the colors black, orange, yellow, green and select by clicking. This will change the background color of the text. To remove the background color or change the background color to the white, we have to select the text and again go to the shading and select no color. Highlight. If we need to highlight the text, step 1, select the text. Step 2, go to the font group and select highlight drop command. Step 3, select any color like I select green. It will highlight the text to green. Repeat the steps for another color.